Welcome to Gyan Niketan. I, Ashok Kumar, will teach you chemistry of standard 8. The chapter is first chapter synthetic fiber and plastic. Now I will deal topic synthetic fibers. First of all, we see the number of questions arising in our mind. What is synthetic? What is fiber? Where is found? How we can use? There are so many questions arises in our mind. Now first is what is fiber and what is synthetic. There are two terms, two words. We can derive what is fiber. What is fiber? Write down what is fiber. Fiber is a thin thread of a fiber is a thin thread of natural and chemical synthetic fiber. Synthetic means here, synthetic means man-made, made by scientists, and used raw material like coal, water and air. We see coal, water and air in a petrochemical, so we can say the raw material is a petrochemicals. Petrochemicals means petroleum. It means the synthetic fiber, the raw material of synthetic fiber is petrochemical or petroleum, not a petrol. It is made up of coal, water and air. Now, what is the natural fiber? Now question is a natural fiber. What is the raw material of natural fiber? Raw material of natural fiber. Now write down natural fiber. And what is the raw material of natural fiber? Natural fiber means it is produced by plants, living things, plants, animals, and like worms. Natural fiber means plant fiber like cotton, jute and worm, silkworm fiber. Silkworm produce silk, and animal like sheep, rabbit and goat produce wool. These are the natural because we cannot produce by the chemical means. It is produced by plant, it is produced by silkworm, it is produced by animals. So cotton, silk and wool are the natural fibers. Cotton fiber, silk fiber and wool fiber. Now we can write cotton fiber, silk fiber and wool fiber. There are three types of natural fiber, 1, 2 and 3. Hence now synthetic fiber. How many types of fiber synthetic fiber? So there are 4 types known as trans. There are PRAN. PRAN is four types of synthetic fiber. First is P. P for polyester. P for polyester. R for rayon. A for acrylic. A for acrylic and N for nylon. There are four types of synthetic fiber. One is polyester, other is rayon, other is acrylic and other is nylon. This term is an abbreviation we can write for the remember is a four types of synthetic fiber, four types of scientists produce in a laboratory with the help of raw material, petrochemical or petroleum or cool water or and air. Now first of all we try to know about rayon. What is rayon? Now we see what is rayon. Rayon is a synthetic fiber which is produced by petrochemicals, which is produced by wood pulp, chemical treatment of wood pulp. Rayon. Rayon is a synthetic fiber. Rayon is a synthetic fiber which is produced by chemical treatment of wood pulp. What is wood pulp? Wood pulp is a very soft wood which is dissolved in alkaline solution like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and after bathing the sulfuric acid, it is formed the rayon thread. Is it clear? Now next day I will do details of rayon, about rayon. Thank you.